Are you ready for a shocking twist in the upcoming season of The Couple Next Door? Channel 4's popular series is returning for its second season, but with a major change. The original cast has been replaced with a new love triangle that's short to keep you on the edge of your seat. In the upcoming episodes, the focus shifts to married medical professionals Charlotte and Jacob, played by Annabelle Scully and Sam Palladio, respectively. Their lives are disrupted by the arrival of a mysterious nurse named Mia, uh, portrayed by Aggie K. Adams. Uh, Mia chooses to live right next door to her coworkers, adding complexity to their professional relationships. Uh, and so, to make things even more interesting, Charlotte's former partner, Leo, reappears in the story. Uh, Writer David Allison promises more intricate, suspenseful, and passionate storytelling in this new installment. As the characters navigate their complicated relationships, they also face the challenges of middle age, which often triggers introspection and change. Uh, the remaining cast members include Adam James, Mamie McCoy, Jeff Roll, Barney White, Jackie Kloon, Tanya Moody, and Janine Davitsky. And Hugh Dennis's character Alan is the only recurring figure from the first season. He's now serving community service for his past actions as a peeping Tom and burglar. But his keen eye for detail leads him to become curious about Mia's personal and circumstances. The Couple Next Door season 2 premieres on Channel 4 on Monday, 14th of July. Don't forget to add the show to your list of must-watch series on Top Mob's What to Watch app for personalized daily suggestions, exclusive content, and more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See, now let's dive into the juicy details of this new season.